Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. My name's Sue and today I have been invited down to Southdown Motors to take a look at some of the vehicles they have in stock. First of all, I'm going to take a look at this Burstner Eliseo C540. The dimensions are 5.41 metres long, 208 metres wide, 2.65 metres high. It weighs in at 3,500 kilograms, which means you don't need a C1 licence to drive it. It has a water tank of 100 litres, a wastewater tank of 90 litres, and it holds two 11-kilogram gas bottles. It's got 16-inch alloy wheels and the active graphics on the side. This vehicle is in stock. If you need more technical details, I'll put a link in the description. Let's take a look inside. So unusually for a camper van, we have got a Dometic two-way fridge at the front of the fridge area instead of opening into the actual space, because on a camper van is slightly limited. It's opening into a wider area, so you've got plenty of access. It has got a little freezer compartment, get a loaf of bread and things like that in, chiller and drawers, and it does open from either outside if you're having food outside or from inside so that you can access while you're cooking. There is a slot here to put an extra flap of kitchen worktop. So we have got a step into the cab. So as you can see, you can swivel the seats around. The table also has a pull-out section that swivels to make it longer so that you can get 3 or 4 people to sit around the table. It is removable, so then you get some extra floor space. It is 4 seat belts in this one. We've got some lovely storage. The white cupboards are really nice. It sort of lightens it up, doesn't make it feel claustrophobic around your head. You've got a pull-out television point, a socket and an optional slot there for you to have an extra power socket if you need it. The kitchen area, we have a Dometic 2 gas burner hob and a sink with the pop-up tap, which obviously you have to put down to store extra bit of surface space here. And then we've got a socket and light switches here. We've then got some drawers, cutlery drawer with some bits and bobs in that belong to the van. And because you've got the fridge on the end, you've got space here for a hanging pull-out wardrobe. There's your flap that goes on the end of the counter, and this little thing pops down to make hanging space for some clothes or coats. So that's quite good. It's a good depth as well. You could actually get coats in there. Some of them are a little bit short. So that's that. Got a 12-volt charging point. Again, light switches, socket, little strip light which switches on and off here for the kitchen counter. Got some little hooks that you can move about. We've got an over kitchen cupboard, which is quite deep actually. It's quite good. It has got strip lights up here. I'm assuming they're dimmable, but they might not be. Yeah, you can dim them down. Sorry, it strobes when I do that, but you can dim the lights. We have a transverse bed that goes all the way across the back of the van. The rear bed actually measures 197 centimetres by 125 approximately, and this does actually lift up, and the slatted base, which is very comfortable, actually lifts up too and clips away here so that you can store things while you're driving along. So that lifts up, and there are lashing points in the floor to tie down bikes or equipment. There's also a panel here that lifts out when the bed's lifted up, so you can gain access from inside the van as well. There's a little step here for you to climb up onto the bed. There are windows at the back with blinds that pull down, they do open, and insect mesh too. We've got more storage. 1, 2, 3, 4 cupboards and a big shelf there. You could store some towels or clothes or whatever. Over in the back there we have got 2 USB sockets, a light switch and a power socket. These things here are magnetic. They're used for these lights. I I think you get one of these with each van. You can buy up more. They are rechargeable. You just switch them on. This one's not actually charged because it's a brand new van. And you can use them on the counter, you know, as a sort of little table light. But you can also move them to the magnetic points around the van and have downlights wherever you want. You obviously can tilt them and things for reading. So that's brilliant. We have got a pop top in this van. So if you can't fit in the back, you can fit upstairs. There is a fabulous optional extra skylight here, and that lets in lots of light. It's really good. Nice light material on the ceiling, same as in our Heimer actually. And it's got a little pocket here for some maps. Sorry about the background noise. I'm in a showroom where people are coming to buy vans, which is brilliant. We're on a Fiat cab here. It's automatic. Yeah, as I say, lovely seats. They're really comfortable. Nice material too. Nice and tough. It feels like it would last quite a while. So yeah, it's popped up. It's got unzippable windows. There is also a reading light here, which is removable, which has a USB socket on it. The bathroom, or should I say shower room, because there's no bath. It's a tambour door. Spins around. Has somewhere to hang your shower attachment, which is part of the sink. You just lift it up and attach it to up there. Hook for your towels or wash bag. There's little storage cupboards, lockable storage cupboards, dimmable lighting. There is a Thetford toilet and a shower tray at the floor here with one waste hole. There's a big mirror which makes it look bigger as well. Another hook. Press studs here to put the shower curtain around so you don't get everything soaking wet. A plug in the sink, which is handy, and it's not a bad sized sink actually. You could wash your hands in it quite comfortably. Obviously hot and cold water. Frosted window, openable window. If you don't have the pop top version, you can get a skylight put in here, but obviously there's a bed above this. So fabulous skylight, and as I say, there is a ladder that you get. It does come with a full Omnister awning. It does have a sliding fly screen on the habitation door. So yeah, nice van, very nice. If you'd like more information on this vehicle or any others, contact Southdown Motorhomes. I'll put all the details in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.